In this video, we want to find the value of x and y given that you have x plus y equals 6, xy equals 36. Then let's have it to be solution. Without wasting our time, let's recall from x plus y. So we have x plus y equals 6. By making x as subject of formula, we are going to have x equals 6 minus y. If you have this as equation star, then let's substitute this equation star in equation 2 we have here. So from where we have xy equals 36 and our x equals this, so we are going to have 6 minus y times y equals 36. Then let's open parentheses with y. Here will be 6y. Then here will be minus y squared equals 36. So by arranging the expression, let's multiply through by minus. So here will be minus 6y, then minus y squared, all in parentheses, equals minus 1 times 36. Minus times minus 6, minus times 6y, here will be minus 6y. Minus times minus here will be plus y squared. This will be minus 36. Now arranging the expressions, this here will be y squared minus 6y equals minus 36. By taking this minus 36 to this side, so we are going to have y squared minus 6y, then plus 36 equals 0. Then let's solve this quadratically by using the general formula. Recall that let the following the parameter a to be the coefficient of y, which is 1, y squared, sorry. Then parameter b to be the coefficient of y, which is minus 6. Then our parameter c to be equals 36. Applying the general formula that says our y will be equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then from here we are going to have y. This is already minus and this minus here. Here will be 6, positive or negative, root of minus 6 square 4 times a, 1 times c, 36 over 2 times a, which is 1. Now we have y, 6, positive or negative. This will be 36. This negative will be affected by this even number power, which is then 4 into parentheses of 36 over 2. So from here we have y equals 6, positive or negative. This, let's do something reasonable. 36 is common. Let's factor it out. 36 divided by 36, here will be 1. This 4 times 36 divided by this 36 will be minus 4 left. Then over 2. So we have y equals 6, positive or negative, root of 36 into minus 3 over 2. Then from the law of sort, when you have root of a into minus b, this can be simplified as root of a times root of b times root of minus 1. So applying it here, we're going to have y equals 6 positive or negative root of 36 times root of 3 times root of minus 1 over 2. So from here we have y. This will be 6 positive or negative. 36 is a perfect square because 6 times 6 will give us 36. So here will be 6 root 3. Then mind you that root 1 minus 1, equals I in a complex space when we are dealing with a complex number. So here will be this will be I over 2. So dividing through by 2. So here will be y 6 over 2 positive or negative. 6 multiplied by root 3I over 2. So from here we have y 3 positive or negative 3 multiplied by root 3I. So we have this as the value of y. Then we have to solve for the value of x as well. Recall from the above that we have our x equals 6 minus y. Then definitely we have x to be 6 minus open parenthesis. Then our y equals this. Will be 3 positive or negative 3 multiplied by root 3I. So from here we have x 6 minus times this will be minus 3. Minus times this plus that we have first will be minus. Minus and this minus will be plus. You can see that there's something reasonable here. Here is positive, here is negative. Here is negative, here is positive. You got to mind this one very well. Multiply by 3 multiplied by root 3I. So we have x. 6 minus 3 will be 3 minus positive or negative 3 times root 3I. So from here, we have the value of x to also be this. You can see that from this problem, we have the value of x to be 2, the value of y to be 2. So if you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe for more math tutorial videos.